Kelly Hargett. 25T646346. And could I have Natasha Wagner and Mohammed Sawela seated at the table here? Mason, can you hear me? Your name, ma'am?
Olivia Harvey.
You're going to plead impeding, right?
Yeah.
Don't text and drive, okay? Too much happens. You understand what I'm saying? To that charge of impeding, responsible or not responsible. All right, please accept it. 185 is your total. Cash you around the hall to your right. That's dangerous. Don't do that anymore, okay?
So I spoke with the officer, and he told me that it was gonna be way less than that because.
It's what? Way less?
Yeah.
It's a $210 ticket, $215.
Yeah.
They're not the judge. I'm not gonna change that. If anything, that's low.
Yeah, I told him, I spoke with him about what happened. I
Ma'am.
was not texting and driving.
Okay, well then you can fight the ticket if you want. You want me to withdraw the plea and set it for an informal?
Saying what he told me.
I'm not, he's not the judge. Whoever's telling people back there, they're wrong. Okay.
Well, that was.
Ma'am, I'm gonna give you your choice. The police officers aren't the judge.
I understand.
I'm only telling you, you can either set it for hearing, and I'll let you withdraw your plea right now. And then I'll determine whether or not you were texting while driving. Listen to me, please. Or you can take this plea and it's going to be 185. It's 215 on our list, and I'm not going to argue about it. I don't care what he told you back there.
I completely understand that. I will withdraw it and.
Okay.
I was not.
Let me call in Benars. I want Benars in here.
I wasn't able to speak.
Hang on.
with,
Yes, sir.
I need you to get Sergeant Benars in here.
Yes, sir. I'll find him right away.
If he told you that, I'll be glad to let you withdraw the plea. John, I need Benars. I called Will. He's getting. You saw in the ticket, it said 215, right, ma'am?
Yeah, so.
So when I give you 185, that means I'm cutting you down by $30.
And he just spoke with me and he told me that it would be like $100 less than what I was originally.
Oh, no.
Told on the ticket.
No.
The only reason why I'm trying, if I actually did it, I have no problem with paying it. But the only reason why I'm.
He's telling you it was gonna be $115? I've been charging anybody $115 on any kind of ticket like that unless it's expected. You keep interrupting me. And I'm just telling you, if he told you that, he and I are gonna have words. You can have a seat. When he comes in, I'll recall it, okay? Natasha Gail Wagner.
Judge,
25TC.
I apologize. Did you ask for me, Judge?
No, I needed Sergeant Benars.
No,
If you're
earlier.
ready on one of yours, you can come on in here.
I've already finished all of yours, Judge.
Lisa, I want you to call Benars, and I want Benars back here, please. Ayala Kelly Hargett, 25T646346. Come on up here. Your name, Sergeant?
Sergeant Arthur.
So, your name.
Aaliyah Harvey.
So I took her plea. The fine schedule was 215. That's what the fine schedule is.
Okay.
I told her it was 185. She told me that you told her that it was going to be $100 less than the 215.
So it'd be cheaper. It's usually right around 150 is what I said.
Well, but remember, this is a $215 ticket.
I didn't know if it adjusted. I don't know how the fines work.
Yeah, I know. I'd encourage you not to tell them that because I do float them around depending on what records are. I'm not going to reduce it. If you want me to allow you to withdraw the plea, I will. She says she didn't do it, is what she's saying.
Right. Yeah, we had that conversation.
So operating vehicle while on cell device, this is Officer Honeycutt. So I'm not going to reduce it, but I will allow you to withdraw the plea if that's what you want to do and set it for a formal. But if you set it for a formal, I want you to be aware. If you lose, this is going on your record. I'm not saying you're going to lose, but it is going to go on your record if that's what you decide to do.
Yeah.
Do you want a minute to think about it? Take a minute to think about it. Okay? Take a minute to think about it. In the meantime, I don't believe this gentleman here behind you signed in.
Yeah, this is the one I turned in with,
You turned in
he had
for
three tickets.
you turned in for a default.
Yeah, I called the lobby, and there was no sign in.
I know. So you tell me what you want me to do, man. Your name? Do you want to withdraw your plea or do you want and go to hearing on the operating while texting, or do you want to have a
I'll take responsibility, but can I get 30 days to pay it?
sure? So you understand it's still going to be 185? Yes?
Yes.
Where do you work at?
In the office.
We pay $40 each week. How about we do that? And we'll start it on October the 10th. I'm sorry. Yeah, October the 10th, okay? If you ever don't have the money, just call the court. We'll go on Zoom, honor before the due date, or you can walk in here, honor before the due date, okay? Good luck. Um, I started one, they got it right at 16. Just welcome.